Salfok sama kain ini saat sedang dipenjahit, motifnya bagus. Saya minta dan saya jadikan cincin. Hasilnya ternyata bagus sob. Yuk, tonton proses pembuatannya. Kain loreng sisa. Ukur lebar 1 cm. Potong mengikuti garis. Kurang lebih seperti ini. Lem super. Gulung kain. Siram lem setiap 1 kali putaran. Sampai ketebalan yang diinginkan.
Few moments later.
Setelah kering, lepas dari media gulung. Ratakan salah satu sisi samping. Ukur kelebaran dari sisi yang sudah rata. Potong. Ratakan. Sesuaikan bagian dalam cincin dengan ukuran jari. Kurangi ketebalan.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Rapihkan secara manual.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Haluskan dengan amplas nomor 240, 600, 1000, dan 5000.
Blood in circulation, one step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good
Setelah pengamplasan semua nomor,
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's
selesai.
good day. Wake up, today's
Gimana sob kira-kira hasilnya? Saya rasa sangat unik pada motifnya. Sedikit abstrak, khas loreng. Skui ramaikan kolom komentar mengenai hasilnya.
It's like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Semoga bisa menginspirasi, membantu, dan bermanfaat. See you next video.